Hey, want to study smarter, not harder, and crush it like a Harvard student? I'm Pshilift, and in the next 2 minutes I'll share 3 game-changing study hacks straight from the Ivy League playbook. Let's dive in. First up, ditch passive. Reading. Harvard students swear by active recall. Instead of rereading notes, quiz yourself. Grab flashcards or apps like Anki and test what you know without peeking. Studies show this boosts retention by up to 50%. Try this. After every study session, write down 3 key points from memory. It's like a mental gym for your brain. Next, master your time with time blocking. Harvard students don't wing it, they plan. Break your day into 25-minute focused chunks, like the Pomodoro technique, with 5-minute breaks. Use a tool like Google Calendar to color code tasks. Red for urgent, blue for deep study. Pro tip, start with your hardest task when your brain's freshest. This keeps procrastination in check and maximizes output. Last, work hard, but recover harder. Harvard. Students know burnout is the enemy. Schedule 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your brain consolidates memories at night. And take real breaks. A 10-minute walk or meditation beats scrolling on your phone. Data backs this. Sleep-deprived students score 20% lower on tests, so prioritize rest to stay sharp. That's it. Active recall, time blocking, and recovery. Try these and you'll study like a Harvard champ. Which tip are you starting with? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more hacks to level up your game. See you next time.